How to change the user agent in Chrome and Firefox. What is a user agent? A user agent is a string of text sent by your browser to websites, revealing what browser, OS, and device you're using. By modifying this string, websites may respond differently or show alternative layouts. Changing the user agent allows your browser to impersonate a different device, operating system, or browser. This is especially useful when testing how a website displays across platforms, accessing region-locked content, or debugging layouts and performance. There are two main ways to change the user agent in Google Chrome. To change the user agent in Chrome, open Developer Tools by pressing F12 or right-clicking anywhere and selecting Inspect. Then, go to the Network Conditions tab under the bottom panel. Uncheck Use Browser Default, and choose a user agent from the list, or enter a custom string. Reload the page to see how the site responds to the new user agent. Another easy way to change the user agent in Chrome is by using an extension. Search for User Agent Switcher and Manager. Install the extension. Then click its icon in the toolbar. You can now select a user agent from the list or add your own custom one. With just one click, your browser can pretend to be on a different device or operating system. In Firefox, you can change the user agent by going to the About, Config page. To change the user agent in Firefox, open a new tab and type About, Config in the address bar. Accept the warning to proceed. Next, search for General, User Agent, Override. If it doesn't exist, right-click anywhere, select New, String, and name it General, User Agent, Override. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. Then, double-click the entry and paste your custom user agent string. Once done, reload the page. Your browser is now using the new user agent globally. Chrome allows tab-specific changes via DevTools, while Firefox applies changes globally through its config. Both browsers support extensions for faster and easier user agent switching. Now you know how to change your user agent. Follow for more tech tips.